Hey, dementia caregivers, Lisa Will over here from At Home with Dementia. And today we're answering the question, how do you handle bringing your loved one with dementia into an emergency room? So if your loved one has been diagnosed with mild to moderate dementia, there may be times where you need to bring them to the emergency room for something minor, but that could be a very long visit. We know that an emergency room wait could go on for hours. And even once they call you in, you could be sitting in that smaller waiting room for hours. So how do you handle having someone who isn't quite sure what's happening and is anxious and even maybe a little agitated? How can you handle that? Well, here's what we suggest. Have a go bag ready in a closet so that if you need to go to an emergency room or even a long doctor's visit for tests, that you have some comfort items and some items that will serve as a distraction. You can use things like coloring books, search word puzzles. You can put in some kind of favorite item that your loved one has that can come with them. So find out what your loved one really likes, pack some things into a tote bag, and just discreetly hang it in a closet and have it ready. And this way, if your loved one has to go to the emergency room for any kind of test or any type of ailment or injury, you can help them pass that time without getting upset and without getting stressed. For more ideas, solutions, and tips, make sure you join At Home with Dementia and click on to the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.